Well, good morning, everybody. How is everybody this morning? Decided to put an apron on because I got a nice sweater, and you know me, I can be Missy Marvin. We're going to make some apple streusel muffins today. So let's get started. We need 4 cups of flour. I'll put everything in the description box below. Excuse me, that's 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. And 2/3 cups of sugar. That's white sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder going right in. 1 teaspoon of salt. I use pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever you like. And 2 large eggs. These aren't from my girls. My girls aren't laying very well right now, and I'm looking for them to go to a good home. 3/4 cups of milk going right in, just like that. 1/4 of a cup butter melted. And you want 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, just like that. Okay, whoops, didn't mean to bang that. And we're gonna stir it all in. You want the oven to be on 400, and you're going to bake these for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, they do have a streusel topping, which I am not going to put on. I will put it in the description box. It's very easy to make. I'm trying to cut back on some sugar. So, I know I'd love to have it, but that's just extra butter. Just like that. And once we get this all stirred in, we're going to put 2 apples peeled and cored and diced. And these apples that I'm using today, they are Cortland's. And they're local Maine apples. From a farm not too far from here. Our apples didn't do very well this year. Okay, we're gonna set that right there. And now we're just gonna put these apples right in. Just like this. Put them right in. Dun, dun, dun. And then we're gonna mix these right up. Just like that. That's all it is to it. Very, very easy, folks. Beautiful batter. I'll show you here. And again, it goes in the oven at 400 for 20-25 minutes. Here's the batter right there. It looks beautiful. I use an ice cream scoop. And you want to fill them, a little over half. Just like this. And like I said, you can put the streusel on top, but I'm trying to cut down on the butter because it needs a half a stick of butter. That's a lot of butter. So, but I thought, well, what's the measure for that? If I do the butter or if I do some cinnamon sugar? So I'm gonna put some cinnamon sugar. So you folks can do whatever you like. And these are going to make, it looks like a little more than a dozen. I only make these in the fall, so I forget how many they make. I'm just filling them right up. I like to make my things big. I like everything big and fluffy. If I do that, I won't have to just bake off a few more if I just use what I've got. Just like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some cinnamon sugar of my choice. And at this time, this is where you would put the streusel topping on. And what you would need for that is a 1/2 cup of butter, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and cinnamon for topping. So you'd take the butter and the sugar and you'd mix it together. Then you would just spoon it on each and then top it with cinnamon. So I'm going to put these in the oven. I'm going to finish it out at 400 and I'll bring you back. Hey guys, look who I have here. I have Mr. R. Hey.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, got the muffins all done.
They look good.
They're right here. They look really good and that makes the house smell really good.
Looking forward to the taste test. It's coming.
And this is Mr. R's and he's going to do a taste test, but guess what? I'm going to try a small piece before him.
Oh, that ain't fair.
I know, because I don't like to share.
That ain't fair. That ain't right.
Oh, word. Mmm.
There, my turn.
Mmm. So good.
Like my grandmother used to say, after me, you shall be first. Here we go.
How's the texture, right?
Go.
Good. I would say
Very good.
I would say you like it.
Yep.
Now, do you think it would have made a difference if I would have put the butter and cinnamon on top and the sugar?
Well, just would have made it more sweeter and added more calories to it.
That's right.
But you got bits of apples in this, which is good.
Yes, I do. And the cinnamon seems heavy enough in it, don't you think?
I'd say bits of apples, little small bits, like, I don't know, I think
Little bites.
she chopped them up like in 1/4 inch.
Yeah, like little bites. I sure
think.
did.
So that kind of adds to it.
Well, I thought I would surprise you with Mr. R this morning. He was here, so he was my tester. So, if
Moist, good.
It is moist, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if you was to rate it, how would you do it?
Just because it's her, I would say at least a 9. No, it is good. It is. It's very good.
You better give me a 10, or you
Whoops,
won't be
a 10,
getting,
I'm sorry, a 10.
you won't be getting no more.
10. Whoops, I'm sorry.
Okay, folks, please
It's
give
good.
me thumbs up. YouTube will know that there's some action going on here on my channel. I can be found on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. You never know who you're going to see on my videos. Have a great day.
God bless.